Muli pong nagbabalik ang Project SOAR, series of online academic reviews of mathematics CLAID learning modules. Huwag po natin kalimutang mag-like, mag-subscribe at mag-share. Ang ating official YouTube channel ay MTM Channel at ang official Facebook page ay Math Team, Mathematics Teachers Association of Mandaluyong. Ang magtuturo sa atin ngayon ay nagtapos ng Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education sa Pangasinan Memorial College at Bachelor of Arts in English sa Asbury College, Anda, Pangasinan. Also a unit earner in Master of Arts in Education at Lyceum Northwestern University. Nagturo sa St. Nicholas School of Anda for 7 years at 8 years sa Andres Bonifacio Integrated School. Faculty Club Officer from 2016 up to present. Brigada Eskwela Coordinator for Elementary. Grade 4 Chairperson for 4 years. MTOP Trainer for Grade 4. Mathematics Teacher of Andres Bonifacio Integrated School, Mr. Ronaldo G. Torrio.
Maraming salamat, Ma'am Ortega. Bago tayo magsimula, nais ko munang batiin ang ating Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Romela M. Cruz, sa ating Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Aurelio G. Alfonso, ang ating CID Chief, Dr. Aline G. Mendoza, ang ating SGOD Chief, Ma'am Emma G. Arubio, sa ating napakasipag na Education Program Supervisor sa Mathematics, Sir Restituto I. Rodelas, sa ating newly assigned PSDS in charge sa Andres Bonifacio Integrated School, Dr. Nona Berinya, at sa aming napakabait na school head, ang aming nanay sa Andres Bonifacio Integrated School, Dr. Olivia L. Pagurayan, at sa lahat ng mga guro sa lungsod ng Mandaluyong, lalong-lalo na ang mga guro sa Andres Bonifacio Integrated School sa pangunguna ng aming ASTP sa elementary, Ginang Margarita M. Blaso, ang ASTP sa junior high school, Ginang Miralyn T. Pandaan, Sir Christian Habinyar, ang aming focal person sa senior high school, sa aming very supportive na mathematics coordinator, Ginang Josie Bungkalon, sa aming mga magulang na nagsisilbing home learning partners at lalong-lalo na sa anak ni Andres, mga batang mandunong na handang Math-tuto. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Samahan niyo ako, tayo nang mag-aral, masayang matuto para maging matalino. And I will be your reviewer for the week 3 of grade 4 mathematics. And our lesson for today is solving real-life problem involving GCF or greatest common factor and LCM or least common multiple of two given numbers. And at the end of this presentation, you can solve real-life problem involving GCF and LCM of two given numbers. But before we start, what is a problem solving? A problem solving is a series of steps that you work through covering multiple aspects of a problem until you can find a solution. Ibig sabihin, kailangan nating sundan ang step-by-step process for us to get and arrive with the correct answer. To solve word problem, you can use and follow 4 steps. First, we have to understand or analyze the problem. In understanding and analyzing the problem, we have to know what is being asked in the problem and identify what are given facts. After understanding the problem, you have to plan or decide on what solution or strategy ang gagamitin mo. And then, solve or implement the solution or strategy. Lastly, after obtaining your answer to the problem, you have to check and look back or kailangan mong i-review ang sagot kung ito ay tama. Ngayon, subukan nating sagutan ang word problem number 1. Angela is packaging up relief goods to donate to typhoon victims. With her savings, she was able to buy 36 pieces of canned goods and 60 packs of noodles to put in the packages. What is the greatest number of packages that she can make so that each package contains an equal number of canned goods and an equal number of noodles? As our first step, we have to understand or analyze the problem and answers 2 questions. First question is, what is being asked in the problem? Correct. The problem asked for the greatest number of packages that she can make so that each package contain an equal number of canned goods and an equal number of noodles. Our second question is, what are the given facts? Our given facts are 36 pieces of canned goods and 60 packs of noodles. Ngayon, subukan naman nating magplan. Anong strategy or strategies ang gagamitin natin? We can solve for GCF because the problem asked for the greatest number of packages she can make, an equal number of canned goods, and an equal number of noodles. Ngayon naman, hanapin na natin kung ano ang GCF ng dalawang numbers kanina sa problem by using different methods or strategies. In finding the GCF or the highest factor that is common to the given set of numbers, again, what are the methods in finding the GCF? Tama, magaling. Listing method, prime factorization, and continuous division. Unahin muna natin ang listing method para makuha ang GCF ng 36 at 60. Ang gagawin lang, mag-isip at maglista ng dalawang numbers na kapag pinagmultiply, 36 ang product. In 36, we have 1 and 36, 2 and 18, 3 and 12, 4 and 9, and 6. Pagkatapos, i-arrange natin ang mga factors from least to greatest. Ganon din ang gagawin natin sa 60. Ilista lang ang mga factors. In 60, we have 1 and 60, 2 and 30, 3 and 20, 4 and 15, 5 and 12, 6 and 10. Pagkatapos, ayusin din ito mula sa pinakamaliit hanggang sa pinakamataas. From the list of factors of 36 and 60, identify the common factors. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Among the common factors, piliin natin ang greatest common factor, which is 12. Therefore, ang ating GCF ay 12. Ngayon naman, itry natin kunin ang greatest common factor ng dalawang numbers gamit ang prime factorization or factor tree method. Prime factorization means writing a number as product of its prime factors. Para makuha natin ang greatest common factor ng dalawang numbers, kailangan muna nating malaman ang kanilang prime factorization. Unahin na natin ang 36. Unang gagawin ay mag-isip tayo ng dalawang factors to split 36. So ang napili natin ay 2 and 18. Ang 2 ay prime number na, so kailangan na nating huminto dyan. Ang 18 is not yet a prime number, kaya kailangan muna nating split into 2 and 9. Again, ang 2 ay prime number. And 9 is not yet a prime number, so we have to split 9 into 3 and 3. Okay? Ang 3 ay prime number na rin. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong mga prime numbers sa mga dulo ng factor 3. Ibig sabihin, ang prime factorization ng 36 ay 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Yan ang prime factorization ng 36. Sunod natin ang 60. Kagaya ng ginawa natin sa factor 3 ng 36, mag-iisip din tayo ng dalawang factors para ma-split natin ang 60. So we have 2 and 30. Again, ang 2 ay prime number na, so titigil na tayo dyan. 30 is not yet a prime number, so we have to split 30 into 3 and 10. Ang 3 ay prime number na, so we will stop from there. Ang 10 ay kailangan pa nating i-split into 2 and 5. Ang 2 ay prime number as well as ang 5 ay prime number na rin. So that is 60 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Nalaman na natin ang prime factorization ng 36 at 60. Ngayon, let us try to identify the common prime factors. Ibig sabihin, pag meron sa isa, dapat meron din sa pangalawa. Okay? In 36 and 60, we have a pair of 2. We have also another pair of 2 and a pair of 3. Anong gagawin natin sa ating mga common prime factors? Kagaya ng sinabi, we have to multiply the common prime factors. So, 2 times 2 times 3 equals 12. Ang ating GCF ay 12. Now, on our third method, which is continuous division, or we can call it ladder method. Ito naman ay ginagamit by a repetitive division with common factors as divisor and multiplying all common divisors to get the greatest common factor, or GCF. So we still have 36 and 60. Ang unang gagawin natin ay mag-iisip tayo ng common factor ng 36 at 60 na gagawin nating unang divisor. So we have 2 and then divide. 36 divided by 2 equals 18. 60 divided by 2 equals 30. Ngayon, mag-iisip ulit tayo ng common factor ng 18 at 30. So, ang naisip natin ay 2. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. 30 divided by 2 equals 15. Again, uulitin natin ang process. Mag-iisip ulit tayo ng common factor ng 9 at 15. So, ang naisip natin ulit ay 3. Then divide. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Ngayon, kung napansin yung wala ng common factors, ang dalawang number, ititigil na natin ang ladder method. And then, i-identify na natin ang ating mga common divisors. Anong gagawin natin sa common divisors? Tama, we will multiply them together. So we have our GCF is 2 times 2 times 3 equals 12. Ang GCF natin ay 12. Ngayon, balikan natin ang ating word problem. Basahin ko ulit. Angela is packaging up relief goods to donate to typhoon victims. With her savings, she was able to buy 36 pieces of canned goods and 60 packs of noodles to put in the packages. What is the greatest number of packages that she can make using all the supplies? So nasagot na natin kanina with our three methods kung ano ang GCF ng 36 at 60. And the GCF is 12. Therefore, 12 is the greatest number of packages that she can make using all the supplies. Ituloy na natin ang lesson with another problem. Still, this is about Angela. Sabayan niyo akong basahin at unawain ang problem. Angela baked brownies for the volunteer rescuers of the typhoon. She wants to pack them in boxes of 8 and 12 pieces. What is the smallest number of pieces of brownies she can pack using either of the boxes? As our first step, we have to understand or analyze the problem. And you have to know what is asked in the problem. What is asked in the problem? The problem asked for the smallest number of pieces of brownies she can pack using either of the boxes. And then, we have to know also what are the given facts. And according to the problem, our given facts are 12 pieces of brownies in a box, 8 pieces of brownies in a box. After understanding and analyzing the word problem, we have to plan. We have to plan kung anong strategy or strategies ang gagamitin natin. And what are we going to do? We can solve for LCM. Yes, because the problem asked for the smallest number of pieces of brownies she can pack using either of the boxes. Ngayon naman, hanapin na natin kung ano ang LCM ng dalawang numbers kanina. Okay? We have to solve by using different methods or strategies. In finding the least common multiple of two given numbers, we can use methods just like the three methods used in finding the GCF. We have listing method. We also have prime factorization and continuous division. In finding the LCM of two numbers, using listing method, try to list down multiples of 8. This means you can do skip counting. So we have 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, and 56. And also you have to do skip counting by 12. So 12, 24, 36, and 48. Then identify the common multiples of 8 and 12. We have 24, 48. Among the two common multiples of 8 and 12, we have to choose the least. Ibig sabihin, piliin natin yung pinakamababa sa dalawa. So we have 24. Our LCM is 24. Subukan natin kunin ang LCM or least common multiple ng 8 and 12 by using prime factorization. Gaya ng ginawa natin kanina in finding the GCF of given set of numbers, we will be splitting the givens to form prime factorization. So we have to split 8 into 2 and 4. 2 is a prime number, so we will stop from there. 4 into 2 and 2. So we have 8 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. So that is the prime factorization of 8. Now, we have to move on with 12. Split natin ang 12. Hanap tayo ng dalawang factors. So we have 2 and 6. Again, 2 is a prime number. So we have to split 6 into 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 are prime numbers. The prime factorization of 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. And then, anong susunod natin gagawin? Para hindi tayo malito, pagtapat-tapatin natin ang may kapares. Pagkatapos, i-multiply natin lahat ng may kapares o wala. Kaya, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 equals 24. Ang LCM natin ay 24. To find the LCM or least common multiple of 8 and 12 by using continuous division or ladder method, we have to think first the common factor of 8 and 12. So ang naisip natin ay 2. And then we divide. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Now we have to think again of the common factor of 4 and 6 to be used as the second divisor. So we have to think of 2. Then divide. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Now, ang gagawin natin, imumultiply na natin ang common divisors at ang mga numbers na naiwan sa baba. So, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 equals 24. Our LCM is 24. Balikan natin ang problem kanina. Angela baked brownies for the volunteer rescuers of the typhoon. She wants to pack them in boxes of 8 and 12 pieces. What is the smallest number of pieces of brownies she can pack using either of the boxes? Kanina nasagutan na natin ang LCM ng 8 at 12 gamit ang tatlong methods. So we have listing method, prime factorization, at continuous division. At ang LCM ng 8 at 12 ay 24. Therefore, 24 is the smallest number of pieces of brownies that Angela can pack using either boxes. Let us practice and answer some word problems. Handa na ba kayo mga bata at mga home learning partners? Alright. Tell whether the following word problems could be solved using GCF or LCM. And here's our first problem. Lani wants to put 12 big marbles and 16 small marbles into some boxes so that each box has the same number of big and small marbles. How many boxes will she need at most? So what do you think is the answer? Very good. Our first problem can be solved using greatest common factor or GCF. And we move to our next problem. Our second word problem. A factory is to pack pencil in the boxes of 8 and 10 pieces. What is the smallest number of pencils that can be packed using the boxes? So what do you think is your answer? You are right. Our answer is LCM or least common multiple. And we're down to our third problem. Mrs. Garcia has 90 crayons and 30 pieces of papers to give to her students. What is the largest number of students she can have in her class so that each student gets equal number of crayons and equal number of papers? And what is our answer? Yes, Definitely, we can solve the problem by using greatest common factor or GCF. You are doing great! And for our final activity, let's do this. Try to solve each of the two real-life application problems. Be sure to give a sentence from answer that incorporates your LCM or GCF solution. Remember, follow the steps and you can use any method that we have discussed. Good luck! This is our first problem. Two bikers are riding a circular path. The first rider completes a round in 12 minutes. The second rider completes a round in 18 minutes. If they both started at the same place and time and go in the same direction, after how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? And your timer starts now. We solved the problem using LCM, so our answer is 36 minutes. The two bikers will meet at the starting point again in 36 minutes. Good job! You are doing great! And for our second problem, Alvin has 12 dragon fruits and Eloide has 18 dragon fruits. Each of them will share the dragon fruits to their friends. What is the greatest number of dragon fruits each of their friends get if Alvin and Elorde will give the same number of dragon fruit? Your timer starts now. And your time is up! Congratulations, you got the correct answer. The GCF of 12 and 18 is 6. Therefore, each of their friends gets 6 dragon fruits. And that's it for today. Thank you for listening. If you have questions, feel free to send a message to our official page, Math Team Mathematics Teachers of Mandaluyong, or send a message to your math teachers. This is Teacher Ronald saying, Math-sayang Math-aral, tayo ng Math-tuto. Paalam!